Again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the gallery room, and that is a 10 by 10 inch canvas. These are my glasses. That's my little funnel. I'm hoping that's going to be enough paint, and if I put it in a big enough puddle of black this time, I might have some better luck. I'm using the leftovers from my silicone cupcake container, and my paint sealed up on me while I was gone, but I can fix that. I'm using a little bit of 24 karat gold from Deco-Art Americana that has some orange in it. Not sure how this is going to turn out. Put a little more gold in there. And I'm not going to worry about that. Right. Okay, I'm going to put some white Anitas metallic in there. Who knows what this is going to be like. Funnel pours have never been my thing, and this is a Facebook group. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is my Facebook group, one of them anyway. And there's a Facebook challenge for funnels or scoops or some other stuff, and I really want to have enough paint here, so I'm going to just do it again. I might have too much, but I can always scrape it off with a spatula or into that bucket. So that's a nice heavy puddle. It still might not be big enough. I'm thinking maybe not. I just want it to work this time. I'm going to hit it with the torch to get rid of the air bubbles in there that I can see really quickly, so I don't have to do that later. And then I'm going to throw a little bit of enamel. I am going to throw a little bit of acrylic enamel in there just to change the other colors up. I went to use my silicone the other day, and I found out that I had left the screw cap loose and it had evaporated all but a few drops, so I'll be experimenting pretty quick to see how that's going to work out. Those last few drops, if they have any potency left to them. Oh, that's not crooked. Not a good idea. I've been there, done that before. It winds up in the painting. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that in there. And this time I'm just going to put it all in. That's a really small funnel. And it's taking its sweet time. And I want to squeeze it. I'm wondering if I can do something to help that. Yeah, that'll teach me. I won't use a small funnel again. Might be cool though. Kind of liking the way it looks so far. It's taking its very sweet time to go down. It's definitely not the same as an inversion pour specifically, because it's not coming out under the paint. So I think I'm just going to turn that upside down right after I introduce it to, where is it? Do I have it? My Princeton Art Tool Catalyst mini blade, available on the Amazon link where you can find my books, because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. That link is, like I said, the Amazon link. It's the one of the first links on the link tree. The link tree is under the video. I'm going to cover that cupcake container this time with something, anything, because last time I came back and it was almost glopped up. So let's see what happens with this. I know there's enough paint on there to move this around, and it might be just that much more of a successful funnel pour because of it. It does seem to be that way. I was instructed not to use any other tools, which is tough for me because I really want more tools. If I put the paint down on the edge catcher, then I can scoop it back up into that container, which is Probably not a bad idea. This is working. Wow. This is working way better than the last time. And I might not even have to cheat. And I'm liking it a lot, but it's dripping on my hand. All about how much paint I used, I guess. So I'll just have to put that paint away and use it on something else. I'm going to use my finger to help things go over the edge. This is going to be really fast, so I should tell you guys underneath the link tree is my email address. Should you be interested in making a purchase to help support the studio, please feel free to use PayPal or Patreon. You can find those icons on the link tree. Excuse me, you can find those icons on my channel header, and you can also find the icons on my... Wait, I'm focused. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. PayPal has an icon on my channel header. Yes, I am. I'm cheating. And the links are also underneath the link tree. So that is awesome, and I'm loving that. And I just want to put it down so I can torch it. And I want to take all that paint and remove it and put it, hopefully, with any luck at all, into my container right there. Because there is so much of it. And the chances of it turning brown are very good, but it's absolutely stunning right on my edge catcher. I think if I'd slid it in there in a different way it would have been better, but it's still pretty. So I'm going to clean my hands off because that was very messy. But actually what I consider to be a pretty good and stellar result from a funnel pour. So I want to say thank you guys for all the wonderful comments you leave me and all the donations that have gotten you into the monthly drawing. I torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, and sometimes I release patterns. I'm getting some really nice cells. I like the combination. The paints were, again, the Americana Deco-Art, the Americana Deco-Art 24 karat gold with some orange in it. Another gold I have that was from Folk-Art. I could even find that if I look. Can I? Maybe? Maybe not. I just reorganized. There we go. No, that's another one. It's a Deco-Art Dazzling Metallics. Just in case you can't find what you're looking for. I don't know how shiny it dries because it's mixed in with other things, but in any case, I'm really happy with this. I'm really happy with you guys too. Thank you for being here. I appreciate the thumbs up, so thank you very much for liking my videos. And if you want to be of assistance and you are subscribed, please feel free to watch when you get a notification, because everybody who watches in the first hour is the best assistance of all. That's when the algorithm will actually deem whether I am worthy to have them hand out more notifications, so more people who are subscribed will be allowed to know that I'm actually publishing, because that is not a typical activity, at least not lately. I want to take the rest of that paint off my tile and put it back in that container. And I gotta tell you guys, Teespring Clothing under the video has all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. Under the link tree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. Pinterest being the most current place that you'll see what I post. The Amazon link is at no added cost to you, and it really helps me out after a while. After enough of you shop there, I'm down to 10% of what I was last year at this time. Donations help support the studio and the production of videos, and also gets you into the monthly drawing. And you can see the prizes for that drawing in the end screens of any video. There's an exhibition video each month, and it will include what's in there. There's over 1,400 videos. I'm going to see if you can see that and how close I need to get. 1,400 videos, and they are organized by genre and topic. And on playlists of 100 as far as that goes. I love you guys. There's almost 89,000 of you. Thank you for being here, and check out Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Friends and Collectors, and the albums in there will have the YouTube wet and dry artworks. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more. Will take you shop now to fineartamericanpixels.com, also in the link tree. But you can get masks, duvet covers, shower curtains, yoga mats, coffee mugs, baby onesies, t-shirts, you name it, it's there. And I love you guys. I'll see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery finally with a successful funnel pour. Yay! Thanks for being here. I love you guys. See you anon. I think I just said that. Bye for now. Priscilla out.